Hi guys, Adam Hebener here once again, CEO of Modern Mortgage, and this is today's Modern Minute. And in this Modern Minute, I want to tell you everything you need to know about the Denver real estate market. And I can summarize that pretty easily with one simple concept, and that is inventory. The question of inventory is the dominant theme throughout the Denver real estate market and its 9-county metro area. And really what that comes down to is a clash between supply and demand side of market dynamics. So we have lots and lots and lots of people who are interested in purchasing homes right now. By some measures, record numbers or close to record numbers of buyers are interested in buying in the Denver market. And at the same time, there is almost a record few people who are actually listing their homes right now. And there's lots of reasons that people are not listing. Some of them have to do with the fact that people are just comfortable. They like their interest rates. They like the home they live in. And some of them don't want to sell for various reasons. But the reality is the number of homes on the market is currently quite low, and the number of people who want to buy those homes is quite high. Now we see it in all kinds of dynamics, days on market, and how many contracts are going under, the speed with which those contracts are occurring, the amount of homes that still get purchased above their own listing price. All of these are indications of a tight inventory market, but probably nothing more telling than the fact that just the average median home has appreciated year over year from an average of $513,000 last year to $575,000 this year on average. Now, that is a massive jump in value. And it's not something that I expect to continue to go straight up. It doesn't need to, and in fact, we don't want it to continue to rise that quickly. But I think it's really important for people to understand what it means for the real estate market to come. Does it mean we go up? Does it mean we go down? Well, guys, I'm going to continue to share with you the conviction I've been sharing with you for a long time, which is that I don't believe that the real estate market portends for us some massive crash. I do think a decline in price is possible, but even if we got a decline in price, I would not expect that decline in price to exceed maybe 10%, and 10% is only a few months ago. So we don't have on the horizon, there is by no measure an indication that there's some kind of a 2008 version of the real estate crash coming, and that's for predictable reasons. It's because a lot of the indirect stimulus that's come from the Fed and come from the Treasury Department is going into making real estate payments. And so we're glad to see that happening. That is stabilizing the market. But this deep lack of inventory is an indication that the market itself stands in terms of value where it is for a while. And until that changes, we're going to continue to have the same outlook, which is the value of real estate is going to continue where it is or higher. We are not expecting it to pull back. Again, even if it did pull back, we would not expect that to be a deep pullback. Now, this might surprise you as well to know that even though the price at $513 has moved to $575, you have to understand that $575 is not less affordable than the $513 was last year. And the reason is because interest rates are substantially lower. So in fact, at $575, you're about the same or maybe even more affordable than the average home was 12 months ago. So for those of you who send us emails and call us and ask and talk about kind of, hey, we think a crash is coming, guys, we just don't see the data supporting that, not right now. We'll obviously continue to stay humble. We'll tell you everything we learn. But for now, I got to tell you what the numbers say, and that's what they're saying. So continue forward, continue moving in confidence. If you have a home to sell, boy, you're probably going to hit it out of the park. You got to get with a great agent and make sure you do that soon. But in the meantime, if we can help anybody finance those properties, we'd certainly love to help you do that. Interest rates remain at historic lows and continue to create historic affordability. So let's keep talking. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll continue to stay in touch. Have a good day. Bye.